Yo, what's up everybody? In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your Instagram can't send DM problem. So let's say you go on your messenger looking icon at the top of your screen on Instagram. Now in my case I have linked my Instagram with Facebook, that's why it's showing messenger. In your case there should be a arrow looking icon over there. You click on it and you go to your friend and you try to send them a message, and you send them a message but the message is not being sent to them. Alright, so there could be a problem behind this. Alright, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix that. But before that, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, because in 1 step we post Instagram videos just like this. So for future videos, stay connected with us by subscribing. Now let's move on. First reason could be like Instagram server is off. So Instagram server from time to time goes under maintenance break, which means if Instagram server is repairing something, or like Instagram is repairing something on their app, and you're trying to send message during that time, then a message is not going to be sent to your friend. In that case you need to wait patiently. All right, and to know if Instagram servers are down or not, what you can do is just go to your browser and search for this: is Instagram down? Once you search for is Instagram down, you can click on the first one where it says down detector. You click on it and it's going to show you the current status of Instagram over here, and by looking at it you can see like is Instagram down or not. As you guys can see, the graph over here is at the lowest, which means Instagram is not currently down, as you guys can see. All right, if Instagram is down, then the graph is gonna peak over here. As you guys can see at the front part, it peaked. That means during that time Instagram was down, but right now at the current time it's the lowest, which means it's not down. All right, so Instagram is not down, you can check like that. But if Instagram is not down, you're still facing the problem. The other thing could be your internet. Due to your slow internet, your message is not being sent to your friend. So for that you can switch into data connection, because data connection is faster than internet, or you can switch into a stronger internet connection and a faster one. All right, so let's say Instagram is not down, your internet is fast, you're still facing the problem. Then due to lack of update, due to a bug, it could be causing this problem. You can go to App Store, and on App Store you want to search for Instagram and check if Instagram has any update. So my Instagram says open over here, which means my Instagram is up to date. But if your Instagram says update instead of open, that means your Instagram requires update. You need to update your Instagram. So update your Instagram. Even after updating your Instagram it didn't fix, then delete your Instagram, reinstall it again. After deleting and reinstalling your Instagram settings will be resetted and it should work. But let's say even after doing all of this it's still not working, then make sure that the person has not blocked you, because if a person has blocked you then you cannot send them message. And in that case, how you guys can fix it is wait for the time until the person unblocks you, because until and unless the person unblocks you, you can't send them message. All right, so you need to keep that in mind. So hope you guys understand how you guys can fix Instagram can't send DM. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye bye.